MBA in France. France has more internationally accredited MBA programs than any other country in the world. France has the sixth strongest economy in the world and the third largest economy in Europe, providing job opportunities, a satisfactory lifestyle, and endless networking opportunities. France is known for its unique specializations on the MBA it offers. Some examples are MBA in Geopolitics, MBA in Luxury Brand Management, MBA in Arts and Culture. The duration of MBA program in France differs from university to university. Some B schools have a course duration of 2 years, 24 months, while others offer a 16-month MBA crash course. If you are applying for MBA diploma, then the duration will be minimum 1 year. Fees of MBA programs in France. Course fee for MBA in France ranges between 0 to 30,000 euro. Most MBA programs will range between 10,000 to 25,000 euro. Some top MBAs will go high, ranking between 38,000 euro and 71,000 euro. Eligibility for pursuing MBA. Candidates must have 3 to 4 years of work experience. Minimum educational qualification equivalent to French baccalaureate or any bachelor's degree. A good GMAT or GRE score is also a requirement depending on the university. TOEFL or IELTS are other entrance tests that students need to focus on to get into French MBA programs. Though for some universities TOEFL or IELTS scores are not a requirement. A good resume, statement of purpose and transcripts from school and college are other requirements to get into French universities. Majorly all French universities offer online application along with a complete set of documents. One can download the application form from their respective websites and follow the instructions as provided. Depending upon the university, interviews will be conducted either on call or through other electronic means of communication. Make sure you have received your student visa so that once you receive the admit letter, there is no delay in joining the university. The top business schools in France are INSEAD Business School, ASSEC Business School, Grenoble Graduate School, European Business School, University of Nantes. As per recent statistics and data of employment post-French MBA, 80 to 90% of aspirants from these institutes find employment in their respective fields as soon as they receive their degree. Their salary range starts from $80,000 to $120,000. A MBA from French university is globally recognized and it also gives you many employment opportunities within France itself. One can stay back in France for 2 years for job search and work after his or her MBA. You do not need a job offer in hand to stay back. So that's it for today. If you found the video informative, do subscribe to our channel.